In a small, quiet village named Little Hogsmead lived a curious boy named Tom Riddle, known as Young Voldemort. He was known for his sharp mind and mysterious aura. One day, while exploring the village's ancient forest, Tom stumbled upon an old, ominous-looking tree. He approached it with caution, sensing something strange. A powerful energy emanating from its twisted branches. The tree creaked and groaned, as if speaking in a whisper. It said, "A seeker of knowledge, eh? I have a riddle for you." Tom, eager to prove his worth, spoke up without fear. "I'm ready, ancient tree, bring on your riddle, I'm here." In the heart of darkness lies a secret unseen. A treasure of immense power that's been hidden for years. If you find the truth, you shall be known as the wise. But if you fail, young Voldemort, you'll pay the price. Tom, undeterred by the tree's warning, ventured deeper, his curiosity driving him to uncover the mystery. He searched high and low, through thickets and caves. In the heart of darkness, he heard a faint hum. The hum grew louder, and Tom found a small door. A door that led to a hidden chamber, untouched before. With bated breath, he entered, revealing a sight. The treasure of the tree, the heart of the night. A glowing orb, pulsating with pure magic. The source of the hum, the heart of the forest's magic. Tom reached out, his heart pounding with excitement. But the orb spoke, its voice echoing with a warning. "Young Voldemort, you've uncovered my heart. But to claim my power, you must answer a part. 3 riddles I'll ask, and if you answer true, the power shall be yours, and my heart it'll renew." Tom, undeterred, nodded his head, ready for the challenge. The orb glowed brighter, the riddles began to unravel. The first riddle was, what cannot be seen, cannot be caught, yet always follows? Tom thought a moment, a smile spreading ear to ear. The shadow, my friend, for it's always there, following you everywhere. The orb glowed brighter, the second riddle came. What has roots as nobody sees? Is taller than the tallest tree? Older than the oldest tree? Yet dies not, nor bear fruit. What am I? Tom pondered a moment, his brow furrowed in thought. The mountain, my friend, for it's as old as the earth. As tall as the tallest tree, but never dies, nor bears fruit. The third riddle came, the final test. What walks on 4 without legs, swims without fins, and sings without a voice? Tom's mind raced, the answer eluding him. But suddenly, a smile spread across his face. The wind, my friend, for it walks through the air, swims through the trees, and sings a melodious tune, as it dances with the leaves. The orb glowed brighter, its power coursing through Tom. He felt a surge of energy, the treasure now his own. He thanked the tree, his heart filled with gratitude. For the wisdom he'd gained, the knowledge he'd collected. From that day on, young Voldemort was known as the Wise. A seeker of knowledge, a beacon in the skies. He used the power responsibly, helping those in need. A legacy of wisdom, a symbol of what young minds can indeed achieve.